guys and gals? Troy, ATXRC Productions, 3DR Solo Owners Group, ATX Drone Space, drone and multi-rotor tips, tricks, reviews, unboxings, all that stuff. What are we about today? We are talking a lot of stuff today. First of all, I'm going to the Consumer Electronics Show 2016. I'm leaving tomorrow. Forgive me, I am on very little sleep because I'm working a lot of hours in order to be able to go do this. I want to say first, thank you to my wife, my son, mainly my wife, but for the support and allowing me to go on this trip and to put as much time as I do into this stuff, which I share with you guys. Two, thank you to Jai UAV Robotics. They're the ones that are helping me get out there. I'm going to be working their booth and I'm going to be showing some of their product. I'm going to give you a sneak peek, if you haven't seen already on my Facebook page, of some of the product we're going to be showing. But before that, I have a chaotic couple of days going on. I don't know if you've been watching, but I have a Team Sasquatch Shuriken. I had a ESC issue. One of my ESCs, I don't know if I fried it or did something wrong when I was soldering it, but I had an issue. Doll prop, man, thank you guys over there. They sent me a couple of ESCs to replace the bum one and have one for a spare. This is running 2205 EMAX, the new motors. Running a PZ420 CC3D flash with Libre Pilot. Pyro Flip RC, Surge, thank you. This was my winning guess or whatever on his contest. PDB, Hawkeye from Multi-Rotor Mania, and it's actually running the doll prop ESCs, like I said. Omnivision Tattoo, appreciate it, McQ. There you go, doll prop 4045s. This thing needs an ESC. I have to do that. I have to solder an ESC into there. This thing has not been tuned or really flown yet. It has hovered with bum ESCs with the motor spin way high because the ESC needed it, but it is not flown technically. Voodoo 222 or 210. I lucked out, and last night at like 3 in the morning I decided to hurry up and piece this bitch back together, and it's pieced back together. Brand new 4mm plate at the bottom. Boom, bam, thank you. Done. Refreshed. It should be legit ready to go. Not as tuned as I'd like it to be, but what else? Next, Skypack, thank you, Jeremy Schweitzer, who is out of the country. Guys, Jeremy Schweitzer is a test pilot. He is Skypack, the FPV backpack guy. This dude has hooked me up with a Skypack backpack. I'm going to do some videos on it. These are the 3D printed strap holders that tie your quads and all your equipment down. Got a couple of these in the mail yesterday. Thank you to Jeremy. I will say, Jeremy, I'm going to apologize to you right now, and I didn't know how to break this to you, so I'm going to do it in video. I'm not bringing Skypack to Vegas. I'm sorry. I know we talked about it. I hope I'll make it up to you with the videos and all the other stuff. I will be using it locally when I go to and from the track and stuff like that. I am just, and I know you told me in text yesterday you just traveled overseas with it as carry-on and all that. I cannot risk it. It is definitely over spec for what carry-on Southwest is, so I'm sorry, I can't risk it. I know you're going to hate me for that. So, we've got a Pelican 1510 rolling case. Carry-on spec for sure. If you need one, hit Fuerte Cases or Micro Raptor up. Daniel Rice over there will get you hooked up with one. I got this one. Gonna do some piecing some parts in there and together. And that being said, let's take a look at Mailtime. So today I got a bunch of stuff. I originally was not supposed to be leaving until Wednesday morning, so I had all tomorrow night to do a lot of this stuff. I am now leaving tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. So Brian Paddock, Tech Brian, Multi-Rotor Mania. That's who this package is from. Thank you ahead of time. I have not opened it. Here we go. Oh, man. All right. Multi-Rotor Mania 180. The new setup. Blue standoff kit. Multi-Rotor Mania Zeus. ESCs for this bad boy. Okay, I've got 5 ESCs. Thank you for the extra ESC already. Here we go. 2204 V2 2300. And these are the Multi-Rotor Mania Titans. It's got to be Multi-Rotor Mania, baby. Multi-Rotor Mania. Brian, I owe you, brother. I owe you. I just messaged you, told you I'm about to open this. Multi-Rotor Mania Basic PDB. This is the, I say basic, but dude, that's a gangster PDB. I use it actually in a couple of my rigs already. I love the whole designs. The whole design is perfect for this. Wow. Oh my God, dude, what the word? Okay, so decals galore. I'm going to be handing those out at the XDC. Oh my God, decals galore. Thank you, brother. I know those things aren't cheap. Battery straps. Oh my gosh, I need these bad. All right, motors. Looks like my boy sent me an extra motor and an extra ESC, because if you're going to crash like I fly, you're probably going to need an extra ESC or an extra motor. All right, now this is where I draw the line. He sent me some caps. I'll be honest. I'm gonna need help with this, Brian. What do you expect me to do with these? Because I've never put these bad boys on anything. But yeah, tell me where they go and I'll use them. So we will do a rundown of this later. Oh my God, the MRM 180. All right, that's all that. I have a X4R receiver that's gonna go in it. I have a Hawkeye VTX already that I had. And I have I don't know what cam yet. I'm actually down a camera because I smashed up a brand new HS 1177 in the Voodoo yesterday. Couldn't have come at a worse time. But we will put all this stuff together, and this thing's getting built in about an hour as soon as I'm done with this video and some other stuff. So what else do we got here? Mailtime. All right. Tattoo batteries. How do I know? Because I bought a lot of tattoo batteries in my time. I know how they come, and I know who this is from. So, what did we go with? Well, we had to bump up to 4S. And in bumping up to 4S, we decided to go with some 1050 4S 75C. And this is a 1550 3-cell. 1 second. Yep, I got 4 of those. All right. I got those for somebody else. 1050s. That's 5. 1550, 1050, 6, 7, 8. 10. That's 10 4S 1050 75C packs for my Shuriken and my Multi-Rotor Mania 180. And a couple of 1550s for the dudes of Multi-GP. I believe I know who these are for, but I will let you know. So, tattoo batteries. Thank you, Tattoo. So if you're keeping count here, by the way, I do pay money for batteries. I'm not getting all free batteries. Come on, guys. It's ridiculous. I actually ordered those. Just so you know, they moved warehouses from East Coast, Florida to Cali. In doing so, they stopped shipping for a couple of weeks. That's actually why those came in. I did a bit of a bulk buy there to avoid any delays, knowing that they weren't shipping until the 13th. These had to have been ordered by the 23rd, and they shipped the 24th. So they took a little while to ship, but got them. All right. Last but not least, this isn't anything really special. This is actually simply for being more portable and efficient, high-tech battery charger X2AC. It's going to get, reason for this is it's going to go in the bottom of this case. I got to put it in there, find a good spot for it. One of my issues was trying to get all of this gear, and currently I am running a Thunder Power Duo, and I have to run an external power supply. It's too big and bulky. I need something that's all one unit. High-tech X2AC Plus. Anyways, CES, here we go. Check it out. You want to hit a heads up on where I'm going to be and what I'm going to be doing. Robotics. Come find us at the booth. I don't have the booth info right this second, but take a look at the screen and you're going to see UAV turnkey solutions. One of the products they're bringing to CES is the X650. It is a larger scale multi-rotor quad. Lots of little info right there. We're just going to keep moving. By the way, nope, wireless charging. I don't know. I asked, I have not seen these units in person, but I did ask. These units are supposed to be at CES. I asked. So, next thing, X380. This is a waterproof, facial recognition, 4K, obstacle avoidance, indoor positioning. I don't know. I got spec sheets and I got some more info on them that I know info on, but I'm just throwing some teaser out here. The H380, another 380 class. This one's in an H and not an X. A lot of the same stuff going on there, but obviously seems like it's going to be a little more of a speedster. Then we got the H260. This has actually gotten the most of my interest. I was surprised to see that they're bringing in a small market quad. So another quad, an aerial gimbal, indoor positioning, folding, 4K, waterproof. I don't know. I can't wait to see it. That's what I do know. All right, this one is my favorite. Y6 520. I'm assuming by the name the 520 is its size. I actually know some more because I have the spec sheets, but I'm just throwing it out there. It's a Y6. And look at all that good stuff. I don't know. I just can't wait to see it. Yes, it's a rendering picture, so I don't know. I don't know what to expect, guys. So this is what I suggest. Stay tuned. Stay tuned to the Facebook page. Stay tuned to the Twitter. Stay tuned to the YouTube, obviously. I'm going to be putting out mad content over the next week. Thank you to everybody. Brian and Multi-Rotor Mania. Doll Props. Tattoo for what you do for me. Even the dudes on eBay, Power Hobbies that got me this. Team Sasquatch Labs for the Shuriken. Voodoo, shit, just because I fly it and it's sick. I'm leaving out all kinds of people. The viewers, the audience, the friends, the fans, everybody. Just thank you. This is going to be an amazing, amazing trip. I really can't even begin to just think about it. I'm going to be there. XDC, I'm going to try to race. I'm going to do everything I can to get into some XDC racing with the FPV races. I do have a commitment to Jai, though. I have to talk to them about it. I got to try to get in there. No matter what, I'm going to be at the races. I will be hanging out as much as I can there, practicing. I paid my money to be a pilot there, so hopefully I can get a qualifying run in. My mind is going to blow, bro. It's going to be so much fun. Man, my wife, I love you. Thank you. Parker, I'm going to miss you. We're going to have fun talking about it on the phone, though, and showing you pictures when I get back. Thank you to my family. Thank you to my friends. Thank you to you guys. Thank you to the sponsors. Jai, appreciate it. I'll see you boys in Vegas, 2016. Shit, I'm going to see you probably on the plane or in the airport because I'm not going to be able to not post something. Fly safe, fly smart. Just fly. I'm flying to CES.